Because when somebody tries to stop you from a process, there's a reason they're trying to stop you from a process. So you need to make sure that you vote. Why don't you come and speak? It's okay.
I'm sorry, I'm just very passionate about voting. I was a political science major, so to hear African Americans, Hispanics, whoever we are, minorities to say I'm not going to go vote because I don't particularly agree with the candidate, I don't either. But that's still not going to make me say I'm not going to go vote. That's what they want. They don't want us to vote. We have people right now in other states who are fighting to have the ability to go to that poll booth and vote. And we here in New York, who rights are not being challenged, are saying, oh, I'm not just going to go. That's just infuriating to me. I'm sorry. But I just think that even if we don't agree, there are other candidates who are out there. You can write in a name. You don't have to put those two people. You don't have to say Trump. You don't have to do Hillary. Write in Bernie, even though you know Bernie's not going to write his name. Just go exercise that right. Because so many people fought for us to have that right. I mean, it's just, I'm sorry.
No, you're fine, and there's still barriers that people are trying to put up today to prevent us from voting. So we definitely have to vote. So, okay, I know everyone's from different cities. Are people doing rallies? We can get loans to start our own businesses. That's something that's important as well. Does anyone, we're going to close out with our panel, but does anyone want to share anything, you know, in terms of their perspective? Because this is more of an open dialogue for us to use this space right now to kind of come together on this.